Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about DLF. Will the move continue in the stock or there will be some correction in the stocks? So let's understand about the business. Let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about DLF, here's a small request to kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. And for detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me, and we can talk and work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can definitely join the YouTube membership, which got started in October. So you can join the membership. You'll get all the benefits of Patreon, and plus there will be 4 live sessions that will be exclusively for YouTube members every weekend. So all benefits of Patreon would be there. Now about the company, established in 1946, DLF provides infrastructure and commercial real estate services. It is a leader in this space, and probably all of us know about DLF. Deals in high commercial property construction across India, and also they have projects abroad. And the rental income is a big source of revenue for DLF, which got absolutely smashed during the pandemic. But the business is coming back into shape, and the market cap of the company has swelled to around 106,000 crores. If you look at the numbers, and these are actually Q2 numbers, so I just updated the numbers. They were Q1 numbers before on the slide. So these are Q2 FY22 numbers versus Q2 FY21, and sales dipped by around 7%, but look at the profit growth, nearly doubled. So that tells you that how margins have virtually expanded big time. So the operating profit margin is around 35%. Net profit margin is also big at around 14-15%. This is looking good, and if there is a real estate cycle that is going to come up, this is going to do extremely well over the next 3 to 5 years. If you look at the performance of the stock, then the stock has been an outperformer this year, and margins have significantly improved, as I have just shown you that although there have been dipped in sales, but the profitability has expanded. There's high promoter and institutional holding, and there's only 4 to 5% free float. By that I mean around 5% of the shares are with retail investors, which probably they are trading on a daily basis. So in that regard also, this is completely covered. Numbers are showing marked improvement, and one of the best commercial property companies in India. The debt has reduced from say 2-3 years back, and things on the ground has also improved significantly. So looks like it is a beginning of a strong up move that is taking place in the stock. If you look at the technicals, then it is trading at a 5 year high. This is a thing which could be concerning, that the stock has surged from, say, from levels in 2013. It used to trade at 70-80 rupees. In 2016-17 also it wasn't doing that well. In fact, by the pandemic it went to 120-130, and now the stock is well above 400. So it has gone up. It has become 2-3x from the pandemic lows in the last 1.5 years. So we have to be careful. Probably on bad days, if it dips to 360, 350, 370, those will be good levels to get into it. And if possible, if you get it at 330, 340, even better. So wait for the declines to get into the stock, and 295, 300 looks a very good support. I think the up move will continue, but if you're lucky, you get it 10-15% lower. That is where you need to jump in and buy the stock. So buy on declines, and 10 to 15% lower from current levels would be good. 360 to 320 would be very good levels to get into. Hold and keep track of developments, how the government spending is going on, how infrastructure spends are going on, and I think over the next 3 years it's going to perform extremely well. In the short run, there could be some 10-15% volatility, and this is a high beta stock, so you have to consider that. Otherwise, I believe that over a 3 to 4 year period, this could even double in the next 3 years, or more than double over the next 3 years, this could really perform well, because this is one of the better real estate companies, just like Godrej Properties, Sobha, etc. One of the better infrastructure company that we are having. So this was my video on DLF. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.